Yes, nasa likod ko sila. Guys, nood na kayo hanap. 9 lovely candidates sila. 10 sila nag-back out yung isa. Pero masikip pa rin sila kasi puro Diyos sila. Nandito po sila sa my paborito, Karen Montesino. Hi, Mami Abby.
Good evening, people of Dagupan Street, Tondo, Manila. Wala po bang palakpakan dyan? Wala po bang hiyawan dyan? Thank you. In a world where everyone would like to be noticed, I prefer to be remembered. For I may not be the prettiest, the sexiest, or probably not your most talented candidate. But one thing is for sure, I am authentic, and I am always ready to give them a good fight. Hello, Philippines. Hello, world. My name is Ash Aldama Simones, 26 years old, all the way from the historical capital of the Philippines. Yes, I am all the way from the municipality of Kawit, province of Cavite. A graduate of Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English at Cavite State University. I am a social media manager, a tourism ambassador, and I am proud and humbled to be your first ever Reina ng Turismo Cavite 2023. But tonight, people of Tondo, please allow me to stand by the name of your one and only lady who happens to be your Miss Earth Philippines 2023. Your Miss Universe Philippines 2025, Siniloan, Laguna. Bakit hindi po ninyo palakpakan ang ngalan ni Miss Eliana Marie Aduana?
Kamukha!
Thank you. Miss Eliana Marie Aduana na nag-iiwan ng isang napakagandang mensahe para sa lahat na ang mga taong nagpapakataas ang siyang ibinababa at ang mga taong nagpapakababa ang siya namang itinataas. We are born to be true, not to be perfect. Thank you!
Kamukha niya!
Give a man a fish, and he will live for a day. But teach a man how to fish, and address the main problems of why he is continuously struggling in life, then he will last for a lifetime. A miraculous evening to everybody. My name is Jaja Martinez. A fresh, indeed innocent, 20-year-old stunner, and I am all the way last from the historical places of Man, Daluyong City. At opo, ako nga po ang napanood nyo sa digital ad ng Pantene Philippines with Miss Kevin Balot bilang Pantene Girl. But for tonight, let me stand by the name. Minsan nyo na po akong napanood bilang Miss International 2018, first runner-up. And I am your newly crowned Miss Universe Philippines 2025. Yes, I am Miss Maria Atiza Manalo. Maria Atiza Manalo na nagsasabing, ang lalaking hindi marunong tumingin sa pinanggalingan, tiyak, natulala sa aking kagandahan. Once again, good evening, enjoy the show, and I love you all. Thank you.
Thank you very much, candidate number 2, Jaja Martinez, also known as Maria Atiza Manalo.
Sisira yung Mikey Kuwangko. Nadidisturb sa kagandahan ni Karen.
Sa nilayo-layo po. Okay. Sa nilapit ng aking pinanggalingan, wala po bang palakpakan dyan? Wala rin po bang hiyawan dyan? Marami pong salamat. I always believe that the physical attribute of the person will time and change, but the greatest and goodness from the heart will last for a lifetime. I believe that the best thing to be accepted is just to be yourself. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Or should I say, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. A girl is standing before you is a fresh and indeed innocent, just only 21 years old listener. And I am very proud and humble because I represent Tondo, Manila in the one of the national pageant of It's Showtime, Miss Q&A Season 3, Queen of the Multibex, and I was crowned as your first runner-up. And I am very proud to say, because I am the pride of Tondo, Manila. My name is Miss Karen Montesilio, and I am all the way where the place that you can experience just like a silver lining. Welcome to my hometown. I am all the way from Tondo, Manila. But tonight, since this is a beauty pageant, allow me to stand by the name of your one and only. I am the only girl who captured the heart of Mr. Ronnie Alonte. Opo, tama po kayong lahat. Ako po si Amy. At minsan si Baby. Sa Pira-Pirasong Paraiso. Bakit hindi nyo po sabay-sabay subukang palakpakan at hiyawan ang nag-iisang kawangis ni Binibining Loisa Andalio. And I always believe, si Bis Amare Amor. If you want to be loved, learn how to love. And if you want to be respected, learn how to respect. Judges, I am your candidate number 3. Mark my number because I will give you the best show and a night to remember. Thank you.
Ay, pautela. Walang mukha, tumatalak sa bakla. At ng kamote. Nakakaro. Ay, binuot.
Mabuhay! The famous singer-songwriter and the forever iconic mother monster Lady Gaga have said in one of her songs, I am born this way. Nací de esta manera in Spanish. Wujinglai Juziyang in Chinese. Viethuanikwamsa in French. Ako'y isinilang na ganito sa wikang Filipino. This phrase in her song gives validity to every member of the LGBTQIA+ community. And it constantly reminds us that being part of this community is not wrong. Never has been and never will be. This young girl standing right in front of your naked eyes truly hail all the way from the very busy and phenomenal city of Parañaque. I am Riri, Canon Cibernal, a 19 years of age student who's currently taking Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management at STI College Pasay to EDSA and was dignified to be the first official ambassadress of Parañaque City Social Hygiene Clinic and Wellness Center for HIV and AIDS awareness and universal healthcare. I am also one proud psoriasis warrior and was privileged to serve the 12,000 registered youth voters from my barangay as their sangguniang kabataan kagawad, handling the committee chairpersonship for health and gender and development. And I am also one proud and humble to tell you that I am your reigning queen of Parañaque 2022. But tonight, just like what a typical contestero would say, allow me to stand by the name of one of the most unbothered and bravest queen as she graced the international stage out loud and proud member of the LGBTQI+ community. Yes, I am your bisexual volleyball player and an Army Reservist Miss Universe Philippines 2021 and Miss Universe 2021 top 5 finisher Beatriz Luigi Gomez. Miss Beatriz Luigi Gomez, who is dignified to be your third angel for tonight. I might be wearing the same white wings, but let me tell you that it is in honor of the first Victoria's Secret model transgender to ever walk in such this year 2025, Miss Alex Consani. Yun lang po and enjoy the rest of the night. Mabuhay, Tondo!
That was our candidate number 4, Miss Rini Bernal, also known as
In this world full of sobrang Latina, allow me to be your dalagang Filipina. Good evening. To become what you are is to become of what you are capable of becoming. It's the secret of a happy life. For every living soul has its own talent, perseverance, and wit. I am Louise Sikat, 19, taking Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English, from my beloved university, Universidad de Manila. And I am a proud transgender sangguniang kabataan kagawad of Barangay 293 Binondo, Manila. And tonight, please do allow me to carry the image of your one and only, ang artista na, vlogger pa, Miss Alex Gonzaga. I-check niyo pa.
Last na to.
Once again, Miss Alex Gonzaga is always here to inspire and to advocate that regardless of our sexual orientation, gender identity, and expression, we should always choose to be the truest representation of ourselves and never be afraid to show it to the world. Good evening.
Nag-award ako ng Kipay Choice Award.
Thank you very much, candidate number 6. That's Louis Sikat.
Dahil maganda po ako, kauntad. Sexy po ako, kauntad. Palakpakan naman po kayo, kauntad. Dagdagan niyo pa po, kaunta.
At hiyawan, kaunta. Salamat po, kaunta. The Victoria's Secret wings that I'm wearing tonight is inspired by Victoria's Secret World Tour 2023, inspired by the USA flag worn by Taylor Hill. Ako po, si Summer Jane Corpus. I am the youngest of them all. Only 18 years old stunner, all the way last from the Manila's northeast edge, Santa Mesa, Manila. But for tonight, allow me to carry the image of your one and only, the girl who captured the heart of Mr. Jake Cuenca, ang nag-iisang kamukha ni Miss Chi Filomeno.
Papakilala ko sila eh.
Chi Filomeno na nagsasabing, nasa Diyos ang awa, nasa tao ang gawa. Judges, I will not ask you to mark my number, but one thing is for sure, you will remember me because this young trans woman is about to fight fair and square. Thank you and happy Fiesta Dagupan.
There you have it.
Love. Hello, love. Nagkaon ka na ba, love? Serving you trans excellency of a pure-blooded Tamarao. This is Nicole Ayala Gokongwei, hailing all the way from Santa Maria, province of Bulacan. Since tonight, this is a pageant, please do allow me to carry the image of your one and only, your Latina Slayer, and your Reina Hispano-Americana 2017, Teresita Winwin Marquez. The girl is standing in front of you is a proud third-year college student who is currently taking up Bachelor of Arts in Communication, major in Convergent Media at Far Eastern University. And judges, I may not be the most famous candidate here, but I didn't come here to blend in. I came here to blaze trails. That would be all. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, candidate number 8, Miss Nicole Ayala Gokongwei.
Hindi sumigaw at pumalakpak, maaagawan ng jowa! Joke lamang po. My name is Miss Urquiza, 20, from Manila. Opo. Bakit ganito yung mic? Opo, ako nga po ang inyong napapanood sa inyong mga television at nag-iingay sa inyong mga TikTok. I am your TikTok viral influencer, Miss Tilapia Queen Official. But tonight, this is the pageant. Please do allow me to stand by the name. Opo. Ako po ang nag-iisang host ng Transpans Philippines. Sabay-sabay po natin palakpakan at hiyawan. Miss Stacy Dorateo na nag-iiwan ng isang katagang batang-bata, balahibong pusa, masarap sa tikim, malagkit sa tingin. Oo, madaling sabihin, guwapo ka, maganda ka. Pero ang tanong, virgin ka pa ba? If you have it, show it nang mamatay sila sa inggit. Thank you and enjoy the night.